guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you want to see the biggest thing ever? Voila! I have a big kitchen, guys. I will open it right now. So there was tape. I already taped it out there. Now what do I need to do? I need to open here. Here's the thing that we have. That's a guide that we need to put batteries inside. Here's the kitchen base. The batteries need to go inside here. Here's all the things that we have to make things. Here we have Play-Doh. Okay, now let's open it, guys. This is fork. This is a bread base. This is a fish. This is a bacon. This is a plate also that has a sausage and a bacon. This is a spatula, a roll, a knife, a pan, a bowl, and the kitchen. It's squealing. This is white. This is red. This is green. This is yellow. Orange. That's all. Anybody hungry? Yay! Okay, I'll make food for you. I'm making steak. Where's the white one? Oh, here. Look at my meat. I'm gonna put it in my pan to grill. I'm gonna flip it, guys. How do I make bread? I'm just gonna mix it together, then it will be a toast. How to get this out? I'm trying to get this out. You need butter. I made toast. First, I need to grill it, then I need to put it inside here. This was already finished. I made steak. I made toast. First, I need to grill the toast. Then I need to put sweet inside sauce. I'm making fish now. Waiting until the bread is finished. Voila! Yum, yum, yum. I make a hamburger, toast, and all yummy things. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. See you next time. Don't forget to click the bell. See you next time. Subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm gonna eat this. Bye-bye. Okay. Anybody knows where the guide is? I don't care. Somebody can open this. So hard. Can I wash my hands for a moment because it's getting mixed?